Hey guys, welcome back to my corner. So today we are unboxing my Macy's January box. Let's see if this box is worth it. It's $15 a month subscription and you get one full-size item plus 4 deluxe size items in a little bag, kind of like Ipsy. In case you guys are wondering, we're on the road again. My husband and I are going to a Kings game, a basketball game, and so we might take you guys along with us. It just depends. And we'll have a little bit of mukbang at the end of this unboxing. I'm starving, and so I'm gonna be eating in the car. When you open her up, you get this pink tissue paper that has all of the items in the box. All right, and the first thing that I saw is this really cute bag. Like, I love this design. It's like a peachy color. It gets from light to dark kind of, and it's plastic. Very nice. I love these. These are the kind of like the waterproof bags that aren't going to get wet, so I think this is going to be perfect for the summertime. So first item in here, okay, let's start with this. I'm super excited for this, the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I love anything that's a cleansing balm. It's so gentle at removing makeup, so I'm really curious to see if this is any good. I have tried the pharmacy brand with their cleansing balms. I've also tried Clinique, and so far Clinique has been the better brand. Let's see if Elemis is a good one too. Basically, you massage this over your face and gently wipe it away with a cloth or rinse your face off. Of course, I don't like cleaning my face off with a piece of cloth. I feel like that's not clean enough. I need to rinse it off with water. I cannot wait to try this. Next item in here is a teeny tiny one. It's by Estee Lauder. It's like a little perfume sample. There you go. Okay, let's try it. I forgot to put perfume today. Oh, it smells so good. It's exactly my scent profile. Like, I love the scent. Very floral. It's not overpowering or anything. It smells really good. I better order this in my scent box. Next one is by Clarence. A lot of good brands here. Okay, this is what is this? A Clarence Total Eye Lift. It's an eye cream. Powerful concentrate aimed at visibly smoothing wrinkles, minimizing dark circles, and reducing puffiness. Look how tiny this is. It's like the size of my thumb. Clarence is another good brand, but I haven't really explored that brand a lot. Oh, I've gotten this before. If you guys don't know, I'm big on advent calendars, and I think last year or 2 years ago, I had a Macy's advent calendar. In one of those days, they had this mineral hand cream, Dead Sea Water Mineral and hand cream by Ahava, and I like this hand cream a lot from what I can remember. This one looks like it's a different scent. I don't want to open it yet because I do have a lot of hand creams, specifically from the Body Shop. Again, another advent calendar from last year. So I have a lot of little tiny lotions that I throw in my purse. But guys, I go through lotions, hand lotions like crazy these days. I mean, I've been hand washing like crazy. All right, next one is the Youth House Glow and Go Eye Recovery Patches. Okay, I love me an eye patch or eye mask. Like, I have like 3 different jars waiting for me to use. I've opened them all. Like, I'm just going through each one every day. So I'm so excited that I got this. Oh, it has hyaluronic acid, collagen, retinol, and something else that I can't pronounce. It sounds like a great eye patch to try. And then the last one, I don't know what this is, but Bamour Ampule Concentrate Hydroplus Intensive Moisturizer. So I think it's a serum, guys. Pat gently onto clean skin followed by moisturizer. So it's a serum. It's supposed to help boost your hydration level. So if you have dry skin, which I do get it from time to time, especially during the winter. So I'm so glad that we have this. Speaking of winter, I do have a skincare routine that's coming up. Well, by the time you see this video, it's probably already up. So definitely check that out. I'll put it right here or link it up here for you guys to click on. I have a skincare routine for those oily combination skin folks. I got you covered on that. So not bad. And this looks like a big, yeah. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm in a lab. Look at this, guys. Like, is this, I feel like this is something that I'm gonna, you know, inject in myself or something. But it says pat it onto the skin, so I guess I'm gonna open one vial, crack it open, and then put it on my face. I've never seen serums put in containers like these before. It looks so serious, like they're not playing, you know? Okay, I am excited, and this looks like a full-size item to me, but who knows? The full-size item would be $30. The Ahaba full-size is $24. The eye mask, if it was full-size, then it would be $30. And then Clarence, the eye, I bet this one is expensive. Yep, $89. $89. But of course, these are just sample sizes. Of course, perfume is still very expensive. $128 if you were to get this bottle from Estee Lauder, which I'm actually highly recommending. It smells amazing. And then the Elemis Balm cleansing balm is $64. So the brands here, guys, are no joke. They're like the good brands, and even though they're sample sizes, I've never tried any of these before. And plus, I love the bag, like something that I'll definitely use. Okay, it's getting dark. Let's get to the mukbang part. Okay, guys, I'm having Taco Bell before the basketball game. Messy. Comment down below if you've watched an actual basketball game, like live. Before we had kids, my husband and I loved watching basketball games. We would spend a lot of money just to get the nosebleed seats and be at the playoff. I'm hungry. Comment down below what Hi guys, so why am I so oily? Okay, I realized I forgot to do an outro on this video. It's now 2 days later. We just got done with church and we are now heading to Costco. Yep, we're heading to Costco. Let me know what you think about showing, you know, little vlogs here and there, kind of day in the life kind of thing. I don't know how comfortable I am about doing that, but let me know if that's the kind of video that you kind of want to see, a little glimpse of my personal life. Let me know, comment it down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxings here and there. So definitely check it out, join this beauty community, and with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely